Dear listener, before you conquer the world outside, you must first rise victorious within. Self-mastery doesn't begin with control. It begins with awareness, with courage, with the willingness to see what most avoid. Today, I invite you into the silent war that determines everything, the battle between your highest self and the 5 unseen enemies that hold you back. They are not loud. They don't shout. They whisper. They weigh you down quietly like shadows beneath the surface. But once you see them, you can break free. Let's begin. Hindrance 1, sensual desire, not the obvious kind. The subtle craving for stimulation, the constant itch to scroll, to snack, to check, to escape. Why can't we sit in silence for 5 minutes? Why do we feel uncomfortable with stillness? Because we are addicted to more, louder, brighter, faster. But it's never enough. It's like trying to fill a broken cup. The momentary pleasure leaks out, and all that's left is emptiness. This is not joy, it's just noise. Stillness isn't deprivation, it's freedom. When you no longer need stimulation, you reclaim your power, you reclaim yourself. So pause, just pause. Don't grab the phone, don't chase the craving, let it pass like a cloud. What you don't feed eventually fades, and in that quiet, something beautiful is born. Enoughness, a calm contentment that doesn't shout but gently whispers, I am whole, I am here, I need nothing else. Hindrance 2, ill will. This one hides behind the mask of justice. It burns cold, in anger, in judgment, in resentment. It says, they wronged me. But what it really means is, I am hurt and I don't know how to heal. Anger feels powerful, but it makes us prisoners. You can't see clearly through smoke, and ill will fills the mind with it. The antidote? Compassion, not weakness, not passivity. Compassion is strength, the kind that chooses understanding when it's easier to blame. You can still set boundaries, you can still speak your truth, but now you do it from clarity, not from chaos. The next time anger rises, don't fight it. Watch it, see where it lives in your body, feel its heat, and then breathe. Let silence speak louder than reaction, because true power is the one who could strike, but chooses not to. Forgive, not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace. And if you want to truly master compassion, begin with yourself. Speak to your own mind with kindness. You can't give others what you've denied yourself. Hindrance 3, sloth and torpor. It's not just laziness. It's the heaviness that whispers, later, not now, maybe tomorrow. It wears the mask of rest, but leaves you more drained. It pretends to protect you from effort, but in truth, it steals your life moment by moment. Here's the truth. Energy doesn't come before action. It comes through it. Don't wait to feel ready. Get up, move, breathe, stretch. Feel your aliveness return through motion. Discipline is not punishment. It's awakening. Create rhythm in your day. Surround yourself with simplicity, with purpose. Your space reflects your mind, and your mind needs clarity to stay sharp. Beware of the voices around you too. If you're surrounded by people who normalize excuses, you'll start lowering your own standard. Instead, seek those who challenge you, who hold you to your potential, not your comfort. And when resistance whispers again, ask yourself, why am I really doing this? What am I serving with this life? Let that why burn like fire inside you. Because on the days when you feel like doing nothing and you still show up, that's when transformation begins. That's when you build your power. Remember this, you are not here to be ruled by craving, by anger, by inertia. You are here to remember your true nature, grounded, clear, and alive. Self-mastery is not the path of resistance, it's the path of remembrance. You don't fight the shadows, you turn on the light. And once that light shines within you, nothing outside can dim it. Let me know if you'd like me to continue rewriting the next part on the remaining hindrances, restlessness, and doubt in the same tone.